Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my video. It's been so long since I vlog, grabe. Alam niyo bang internship era ko na parang me before for fourth year, me before senior year. Ito na yon. So I just had to breathe and reboot for one sem. So I just sat that one out. Pero tuloy-tuloy na itong pag-vlog ko hanggang fourth year kasi guys, last na to last undergrad year ko na So, ayun, might as well. So, ito, I am now working sa Biological Models Lab under Doc Medina. And we're 2 weeks in now with my blockmates. Tapos, ayun, late na ako. So, come with me! Yan, so niyo akong tularan kasi basang-basa ako. Hindi ako makapasok sa lab. This is the dry side. This is the wet one. So, ayun, dito lang ako sa labas ng lab. Kasi, hindi ako pumasok, baka pagalitan pa ako ng prof ko. Ganito yung tsura ko, late na nga ako. Kaya kasi may kasalanan. E di ako pa rin. Guys, this is us. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Hi. So, we're gonna make drugs. Then, nagpapatiyo ako, guys. Electric fan. Sabi ni Anton, bakit mas dark yung color ng scrubs mo? Inuhugasan namin yung yung ginawa nila.
At least, di na kailangan i-scrub.
2 points po kay Anton kasi hindi naghuhugas.
Alam mo sabi niya?
Ba naghuhugas ako? Sino yung late? Sino yung late?
Sa tawagan daw niya yung yaya niya, papapabay niya.
Ay, grabe! Nasa vlog yun! Uy, nasa vlog yun!
Sila mo yung pangalan ni Alam mo si Martin, he called me Bading.
Vlog! Basta yung kilikili ko! Hey, vlog! They will be having a lecture sa biological models pa rin. So, here's my seatmate, Mami Kuna. She's from UP Los Baños. But same course. Or same tayo iPod. Do you like our uniforms?
After a few hours again, L4. That's a few hours again, L5. Here at the back. That's what makes it melanogaster here, which the females do not have. So when they do mate, and they only the female has to only mate once, and it's already fertile for life. No reproduction for life. It only requires one copulation from a male. Kasi na-store niya yung sperms. CFP, mawawala yung fluorescence. Kung nag-photo bleach na siya, then you have to use another larva. Ganyan.
End of shift.
Same siya or homozygous siya for the mutation. So, andun pa yung mutation. Kasi ito, wala kang makikita, right? Kasi hindi visible yung mutation. Example, ito yung curly O, sinasabi ko. Curly talaga wings niya, so it's obvious. Normal, wild type, mahaba siya, and short. Pag stubble yung balancer, it becomes short, tsaka blunted. So, yun yung mga markers na nandun yung balance.
Start mag-play. Binababad.
Right now, hinihintay namin tumigas yung agar and then titignan namin if viable pa yung worms later.
Ang weight genes or age response genes. So makikita natin here sa figure, these are some examples of your IEGs. Ito yung IEGs, no? So when there is a stimulus, there is going to be a calcium influx and comparison to other types of cancer. So it should also be noted that you can have the same microorganism, like you can have the same microorganism in a different type of cancer and they may have different functions. Nice meeting you, friends.
Yay!
Guys, sobrang lucky niyo. Ayusin yung trabaho niyo.
Ang hirap dito is we-work namin yung L1 to L3. Like yung children, like, paano hindi nalaman na L1, L2? Basta like super liit lang nila. Like yung pinaka-baby talaga. Yun yung L1. Yung pinaka-parang transparent. Hi, vlog!
So let's see the worms. Are there worms there?
Yeah. What's this one?
Yeah, kasi medyo may mga granules na yun.
So, hi guys, look at the flights. So, these are Drosophila.
May idea ba kayo sa mechanical sensation?
Head touch. Yun yung pang-measure kung yung phenotype ba niya naapektuhan. Nag-ano tayo dito sa gitna na touch dahil sa gitna. Kasi parang hindi lang naman yun isang dot. Alam ko may connected yan na ano. Parang neuron. Ayaw, kasi dito, ito kasi, yung movement ng C. elegans na gano'n, connected siya dito. So kapag dito may defect, ibig sabihin most likely, baka hindi siya nag-function ng maayos dun sa formula niyan, madadrive yun sa values na nakuha niyo doon kanina. Pero hindi niyo pa naman kasi kailangan isipin dahil hindi pa naman kayo magkaganto anytime soon. Pero kumbaga, may formula to, namang ganyan yung kailangan